Guys, so I've just spoke with the president of the motocross and vice president, which is Big Head Fellow over there.
No problem.
And they have confirmed that motocross is coming back to Saint Lucia. Guys, welcome back. My name is Nick and I'm the Storyboy. Let's just get straight into it right now. Today, let me just show you. Today we're actually at the MX Dirt Bike Park. That's in cul-de-sac in Saint Lucia. Yesterday, remember, we were still in the bike with Weng Weng. If you could see that in the last video. When Weng told me pull up on the track, I pull up on the track. And you've seen these fellas out there already. Going to start getting it. So we're going to see what they have. Today is my first time up in an actual dirt bike. A real powerful machine. One of these. I can get at the back of that truck over there. One of those over there. So guys, let's just how today turns out. My heart is beating very fast. I'm very excited and I'm afraid. So let's just see how it goes. 1 kk. Guys, these boys out here shredding, bro. I should have been my other camera.
I'll give you this.
The two of you are like that to come and right. You can catch it. Yeah, man. I buy the amount of bike points. It's basic. Everything like a bicycle. Yeah. I see a lot of people now. That's good. That's cheap, man. That's the right technique. Yeah, that's the tell him. See, we have to go on that. Exactly. Crazy to it. Speed up and rolling. So you learn. Why not physical control? That makes sense. You overjump.
Yeah, Messi, first of all, let me just introduce you guys to, say your name please. Daryl Lugis. How long have you been riding?
11 years.
11 years now? From what age you started riding?
5.
5 years. What bike you have?
KTM 125.
KTM 125. And you love it on the track? You think you can cut anybody that come in your foot?
Yeah, man.
Or you go try?
I
You can put wing on his back.
All out.
All out? When you hear that, the man say he putting you on your back. What you have to say?
Well, he's the youth. The youth is a strong man. The old man there.
Hey, boy, yeah, man. Big up yourself too, boss. I see you doing your thing. Eh? What's your name?
Trevon.
Huh?
Trevon.
Trevon. How long have you been riding?
About 6 months.
About 6 months?
Yeah.
And you're doing all that already? All that already? You like it on the track? You love it on the track, eh? You think you're gonna do that for the rest of your life?
Yeah.
You're touring too?
Yeah.
Girl or boy?
Hello, boy.
Bike life. Guys, see these two young men here? I love them. Especially that one there. I see it in real life here. I never see that in my life before, but I seen it today. Look at that over there. Train them from young, guys. Guys, see that? As young as they are, they're shredding. And gas not stopping, not stopping giving gas, eh? I tell you. You have guts, eh? Gas and go, eh? Boy, big up yourself, little man. Guys, you see how a man has to take care of his girl? That's how I want you all to take care of your bikes. Always check on your baby. Guys, see that beautiful 350 KTM there? Baby cruise, I go on baby cruise on it, guys, because I want to bust my ass on the track there. And you see them kind of big hump, and I see them man flying over there. I even see you wheelie in. I want to see. That's it for me. Storyboy not on that yet.
That level.
I'm not on that level there.
And that's it. You go there, that's the president
Of the group?
No, Saint Lucia Motocross.
Oh.
This is the tops of the arena. So you'll see it on Storyboy's channel. I just need Storyboy to take the feel and get in the groove.
Get in the groove.
Get in the groove, get in the groove. And he will. He's a biker.
He's a biker. After today, let me see if I go try and rush and buy a dirt bike.
Storyboy will get it done. Storyboy Nick will get it done.
Yes, massive. We're outside.
Today is the day for Nick to get his groove on.
Why are you afraid of that, you boy?
No, you're afraid of nothing. Don't come with that.
You know I'm afraid. You know that, yes.
Storyboy Nick say he's afraid. I can't believe it today.
Easy.
Let's roll on the Saint Lucia Moto Extract. This is the baby you're going to be handling. KTM 350. All the best, my brother. Enjoy the ride.
Papa, Messi, I know. Woo! I'm fucking afraid. If I'm afraid, I go live for the viewers. Huh? Oi, Weng, come and teach me about that bike.
Hydraulic clutch system, front brake, the usual bike step,
That's cut off?
cut off, start here, cut off,
Okay, so start there,
cut off,
cut off there.
neutralize, and then you're good. Fill the bike, take your time. Where you going? You go on the track first, or you want to go
No, just going straight down there.
first? Okay, fill it. Let's go to the neutral.
That's totally different, you boy, from my bike. The feel, oh, the brake sharp.
Okay, you have to stop.
Wow! Combo class. joke. I take that. Look, my thing slacking on me, boy. From the inside, it have to tighten in. Me just take a slow cruise on the track. I am pretty. Guys, it's fucking scary. My foot keep coming out on the brake.
What do you think about the motocross aspect? Riding a motocross bike. What do you think?
Okay, two things. Riding a motocross bike, probably if I'd learned on the road just to ride the bike, probably I would. Riding a motocross bike on a motocross track, guys, that is totally something. You have to really know how to ride the bike all over again, guys. Trust me, I'm tired, my hand hurting me. It's fucking scary in the mud, the bike sliding. I don't know how to back. Yo, it's fun. Trust me, I think I'm gonna get myself a dirt bike, and I think I'll have to really know how to ride, guys. But trust me, it's an awesome experience. I would encourage any one of you out there who wants to do it, take it up. It's a nice challenge. Guys, so I've just spoke with the president of the motocross and vice president, which is Big Head Fellow over there.
No problem.
And they have confirmed that motocross is coming back to Saint Lucia very, 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 very soon. Guys, capitalize on these moments, guys. Capitalize on it.
I had my first experience.
Yo, guys, for words, I have to relearn how to ride a motorcycle, especially a dirt bike. Guys, it was an awesome experience. I love it. I'm waiting for Wang to hop it for me to see what he gonna do. All the talk he gave me. I am to hear now, and to hear you ripping it. I don't them youngsters to pull nothing on you.
That's old stuff.
That's a young oldster. And to see you ripping it, I tell you.
Okay.
Yeah, guys.
Not bad, just